Hello, hello, and welcome. My name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you all of my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. I'm so happy you came back to visit me on my channel today. First things first, to my old subscribers, thank you for holding me down. To my new subscribers, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. I'm so happy you decided to join us today. Let's get started. We are going to make one of my recipes. Okay, so the name of this natural luxurious bath salt is called Cold Therapy. And this recipe consists of rosemary herbs, lavender buds, rose petals, peppermint leaf, ground cinnamon, dry milk, Epsom salt, sea salt, baking soda, and the essential oil that we will be using today is rosemary essential oil. I hope everyone is doing well today. You all look great. Let's get into it, okay? So this is the dump. We also have Epsom salt, along with using baking soda. We have our dry milk, and we'll stop right there, and shall mix all of these ingredients together first before we add our organic herbs and flowers. I'm so happy to come in and bring you some excellent content again. I love creating plans and working on recipes. Therapeutic as well. I have busy hands. So when you have busy hands, they're always trying to make something. I'm a very creative person. My mind is always going. Even when I'm sleeping. When I wake up in the morning, there's thoughts already in my head of what I want to do for the day. Busy as a bee, right? Being on YouTube, I really enjoy it. Gives me a chance to express myself, let others see my creativity, and it makes me happy. It gives me a purpose. Thank you, YouTube, for giving Glennceria Loving Hands a purpose at 60 years old. I appreciate that. I really do. All right, that looks good. Lavender buds. Lavender buds. We have rose petals. Peppermint leaf. Ground cinnamon. We have our dry milk in here. That's our dry milk I just put in. We just put the dry milk in. And I want to show you this before we mix it in. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. So, do you remember that we decided to do Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, okay? Glennceria Loving Hands videos will upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Friday morning. Is that okay? Comment down below if you want another day or different days. Let me know. Look how beautiful that is. And it smells so good. So good. Cold therapy. You can smell the cinnamon in it too. Look how beautiful that is. Beautiful. All right, are we ready to put our essential oil in here? Make sure you just crumb it up just a little bit more. Try to crush up some of that baking soda. Even though once it hit the water, it will dissolve. That is absolutely beautiful. I love it. All natural, guys. All natural. Just beautiful. Okay, here we go. 15 drops. Here's my drop it, and here's my Rosemary essential oil. 15 drops. So let's do all 15 drops together. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, let's stir this in. Oh, that smells so good. Definitely will help you with your cold. You sit in the tub, you're gonna feel much better when you get out the tub with using this. That rosemary's coming through really nice. Okay, we'll be right back. Before we leave, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, comment down below, and hit your notification bell so you know when I upload a video. And my cold therapy in a couple of weeks will be on my Etsy shop. My Etsy shop is Glennceria Loving Hand. Take the S off of hands, okay? See you in a few minutes. Hello, so here we are. Wasn't that quick and simple and easy to do? Of course it was. Isn't that beautiful? It's coming a little closer so you can see that. Excellent, right? And it smells so good. The whiff of rosemary. It smells so good with the cinnamon. Okay, so you say, listen, Glennceria, that's a whole lot of petals and herbs and flowers in there. I do not want that in my tub. And I understand that. I understand that and I appreciate you. So let me tell you what. You're going to get yourself some of these little bags like here. The little sachets. And you're going to scoop maybe 2 scoops or 2 tablespoons to 3 inside of your bag or the muslin bag. Drawstring it, hang it on your faucet. It's as simple as that. Then you don't have to worry about all of the dried organic petals going down into your sink, into your pipes, into your septic tank. No worries, okay? Now, you say, what are the benefits? Definitely it'll help you with your sore muscles, open up your sinuses because of the rosemary that's in here, and it's gonna help you to breathe and relax and feel better. And believe me, when you have a cold, that's one of the main things you wanna do, right? Is to relax, have a good night's sleep, and feel better. Of course you do. So get some of this. I sell it by the ounces. They're 8-ounce bags or jars, okay? I just want you to know that I love you dearly. I need you to have a good day. Continue to share my videos with your friends and family. Tell them to come on over and check out Glennceria Loving Hands. Handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Luxurious bath salts. Cold therapy. Love you always. Mwah. From Glennceria Loving Hands. You have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Take good care of yourself. Bye-bye now. Have a great day. From Glennceria Loving Hands. Love you. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Peace out. Bye. Thumbs up my video. Thumb it up. Thumb it up. Thank you.